He's stuck in here. I think this might be our guy that has a nest out front here. Usually I just let them get a little tired and then we just kind of make their way out. Come on now. There you go. I mean, you're right next to the door. You just gotta figure it out, right? Come on, don't get tired. I know you're hungry. Look, and they got their mouth open like that. Sucking air. Come on now. They don't know we got a bird in the solarium. Come on, Mom, go out the door. You got it. You're close. Did you do it? You did it. Yes. I didn't even see it. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Come on, my man. Come on. You got it. Go on, out the door. There you go. That's what we're talking about. Out of the solarium. Good job, little man.